With the holidays coming up, many people will be flying, but how does the weather, specifically the wind, affect flights? It's not only what we see at the surface, but further aloft that can cause issues. First, starting with the takeoff. Let's say your plane is flying from east to west along the runway. When we have headwinds or winds that are blowing towards the east, towards the front of the plane, that can actually make takeoff easier. But what's called tailwinds, winds blowing in the same direction the flight is trying to take off, that can actually cause some issues. If they're around 10 to 15 miles per hour, the flight itself has to switch a runway flying towards the wind, so becoming a headwind if they flip around the direction. An even bigger problem, though, comes from crosswinds. These are winds that are perpendicular, either from the north or the south, to the direction that the flight is taking off. And if they get up to 30 to 40 miles per hour, that can delay the flights, potentially even cause cancellations if the winds don't ease or change direction. Now, further aloft, when the flight is in the sky, we can see issues from what's called the jet stream, a narrow band of strong wind in the upper atmosphere, usually around 110 miles per hour, but can get up to 250 miles per hour, which is enough to delay or cancel flights, or can lead to a longer flight path if the flight has to go around it. We have two jet streams, the polar jet and the Pacific jet, which usually travel from west to east across the country. But with fluctuations in the temperatures, we can see them wobble, which means it's not always a straight shot from west to east, and flights have to go around these jets. Now let's use an example of going from New York City over to Los Angeles. The departing flight will take about 5 hours, but the flight back will take 4 hours, a bit shorter as you're traveling along that jet stream. Keep in mind, though, longer flight times occur when avoiding severe weather systems and extremely strong jet streams. So those are things that can impact your flights these upcoming holidays. Reporting on the weather deck, I'm meteorologist Violet Skyber.